Hey, Nikki here with Beauty J'adore and Aviano Bags. And this video is going to be a little different. Not a secret, I make sewing patterns for handbags. But I also own some designer handbags.
Yes, you do.
Okay. And so a few weeks ago, a company called Babolat Bags contacted me and asked me to do a review on bags. So I was like, okay, let me take a look at your website. So I looked at the website and they were dupes, like designer dupes. And I have an aversion to dupes. But then I thought, you know what, Nikki, don't be so judgmental. Because I can be a little judgmental.
A little?
Whatever. And I thought, you know what? I have an 11-year-old who loves playing in my closet, right? So I thought, excuse me, sir.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
So
Can you move her out of the way? Thank you. And so I have an 11-year-old who likes playing in my closet. And I thought, you know what, this might be a good opportunity. So let's try it out. So I got the bag and I picked one that I knew that was kind of like kid appropriate and I thought she'd like it. So here we go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. So, okay. So far, upon opening, it looks really good.
It does.
But what you don't know is that, like, a Louis Vuitton box, they have like these little striations. You can probably see it here. And this box has it, which is kind of interesting.
Wait, the box is just like, is this real? Wait, it's so cute.
It is. It's good. It's good. So if I didn't know any better, I would think, oh,
Yeah.
oh. Calm down, back up. All right, let's go ahead and open it.
Okay.
Let's see what we have.
It's so like cool.
Yeah, so even as you open the box, it has the little magnet closure things that an authentic Louis Vuitton has.
Yes.
But this is good. So far, I'm not mad.
Yes,
I'm really not mad. Oops. Oh, okay. It comes with a dust bag.
Like the real one.
It comes with paperwork. I don't know what this is. Comes with all the stuff. This is good. Like, honestly, it is. And my biggest concern and my biggest issue was, is this bag going to be actual leather? So that is going to be the big thing. But so far, I'm not mad at this. I'm really not. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute. Wait. It's so big.
Did you slobber?
It's so cute.
This is. It's really cute.
This is a wallet. Look at that. It's so cute.
Okay, and it has a little strap. I'm not mad at this, Chandler.
Wait, this is actually so cute. Like, look at the design.
It is. It's so cute. And let's look at. Okay, so there's things that I look at. The stitching. The stitching's really good. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
The stitching is really good.
Wait.
Listen.
This is
actually really.
This is
really nice.
It's like cute. It's so cute.
And I definitely think it's really cute for her.
Yes,
too.
it looks like my style.
But this is really good.
Wait, it's so cute. Off the table, please.
All right, so let's take a look here. I don't know what, oh, this must be just like, looks like a hospital bag. Can you grab some, oh, you know what, I have this. Let's pull it, ouch. Let's pull this off.
Oh, it has a little like thingy.
Oh, okay. This is really good. This is good. I will tell you, I do have an aversion to dupes, but this is really, really good.
It is. It's so pretty.
I mean, you don't really have the barometer, but
I don't care.
I know you don't.
Pretty.
I know you don't. And the prices are really good. I think this one was $300 or $400. I think it's maybe $300. I can't remember, but it's really good. This is cute. I mean, I'm looking at all the detail. They have the edge coating at the bottom. The stitching is perfection. There's not a skipped or a crooked stitch. This is really good.
It is nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I do a lot.
Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. And let's take a look at the handle. Oh, there's 2 straps. Oh, I don't know. Well, we have to figure out how to do this.
Ooh.
So
Like
even the
process.
even the straps, these are real leather. The stitching is really, really good.
Face some more.
I'm impressed. And so even the hardware comes covered. Can you see it on here? The hardware comes. Oh my gosh!
Mango,
The hardware comes covered, and it has the little LV logos on it. This is really good. I'm really impressed. So I guess we have to figure out how to do this.
Yeah.
But it's so cute. I like it.
We use like YouTube.
So would I recommend this? Absolutely. I mean, because the original is, I believe, like over $2,000.
That's wild.
So this is a really good quality.
It is.
It is.
Smells nice.
It is. All right. So would I recommend? I would. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I would. I would really recommend this. This is so cute. And it's like a fraction of the price. And we know the economy that we're living in right now is a little nuts. So, and I am a DIY girl. I haven't purchased a bag in a couple years. So she's going to get her fix, and it's really good. All right. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And also there is a coupon code. And I'm going to post it here so that I have a bag hat. I'm going to post it here so that you can take advantage of that as well. But yes, so good. I love it. I do love this.
It's really cute. Like, it's like, I love the designs, like the cherry blossom.
How do you think you can wear it?
I think it would look obviously good with black, because black goes good with everything.
And this is like a crossbody. I don't know. We have to figure out how to do this, but it's a crossbody bag.
I think like a baby pink outfit would look cute with it.
Yeah, it's so good. I like this, Chandler.
Yes, I would pair it with something simple so like this stands out more.
Yeah.
But it's cute.
It is cute. Yes, I'm impressed. Okay. All right. So again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Happy shopping. Bye.
Bye. Slay.
Did you say slay? What's wrong with you?